Talo for love, guys. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It is Saturday morning here in Samoa, so not morning, it's actually I think 10:30 now, so just the usual Samoan chores on Saturday. Already fed the pigs in the morning, checked the cows. Well, I didn't go check the cows, but I sent the drone in because it was nice and sunny. So as you guys can see there, sent in the drone just to check on the plantation, and also you know, if there are any thieves there, and just look out for the cows and stuff. So we did see some cows outside, but I think that was in the cattle fence of the other family, or it must have been outside of the fence. Well, I'm not sure. So that's one of the benefits of using the drone now. So we will physically check the cows later on today, but then for now we just wanted to check if there were any thieves in Saturday on the plantation, because you know it is Saturday here in Samoa, so and people might go get taro and stuff. So that's all done. Just need to go get some taro now, and then see what's in store for tomorrow, which is tonight, which I'll be cooking again. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Also a special fatalofa to all our audiences, especially our Ainga members. Hope everyone is doing well, and yeah, if you like today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and let's get started. Alright, so we've got some pumpkins here, which I assume are from the plantation. As you guys can see there are some marks on it, which is probably from the sapelu or the knife. So we've got maybe half of our veggies already sorted. So I'm gonna head to the plantation next to the house and see if we can get some taro from there. So majority of this plantation has already been eaten, but we left the ulis to grow a bit, so that's what we'll take from now. But there's still some taro at the back towards there, but this majority of the taro here are mostly uli. Nice tamu right there. I think these are called yams. Yeah, tamu's yam. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. A nice bit of uli here. There you go, see? It's a nice uli. So I'm just gonna take out some ulis from here, and then we'll head to the back to get some larger taros. This whole uli thing actually takes a lot of experience, because sometimes you don't know, you can't differentiate between a uli and a lauvai. You know, the lauvai, the new offshoots of taro. So it takes a lot of experience trying to figure out which ones are ulis and which ones are actual tiapula. But sometimes you can just tell by the way the taro stands. So see, this is definitely a uli, but it's not all the way down, so it'll just stand like that. Probably give it another few more months. But so these ones, see, these are also ulis there. You can see that down there, there's another uli. Come towards this side. It's a uli. So the majority of these ones, this is what happens when you uproot the taro and you don't push the ulis back into the hole. They tend to just form on the top of the soil, giving it just a small, but if you push like a small comb, but if you pushed it under the soil, it would have gained a lot more size. So see, for example, there was a taro here that someone already uprooted, but this is what you do: you push the ulis into the soil, into the hole which had the main taro, and it'll actually give it a decent size uli. But if you don't push it down into, this is what you get. So see, it just forms a comb, but it just sits on the top. Here's another uli. See, it's pretty small because it only sits on the top. So when you uproot the main taro, you push the uli down. You push the uli down into the hole which had the main taro, and it'll get it, and it'll you know, get a decent sized comb there. But I don't think there's any more taro here, so we'll head to the back. Found another one just on the side of the coconut there. Also have pumpkins here. So they're already flowering, which will become pumpkins in probably the next 2 weeks. Right, so we're going to head to the back now. As you guys can see, there's quite a lot of cows that come through here. So you can see their tracks there. And they trample all over plantation here. So we're just gonna look for some taro here. This is where I got the taro for last week Sunday's food that I didn't record. Sorry guys, been quite late on our Sunday cooking episodes, only because it's been quite busy lately, so apologies for that, but don't worry, still got you guys covered. Hopefully we've got one coming up where we use these taros. All right, so most of this is tiapula, but there's a few taro in here. I just need to find it. Need to set up shop somewhere here. So I guess this looks like a good place. This is where I did the taro last week. You guys can see here. So this should be good. Now we go find taro. Oh yeah, baby. That's a saiko right there. Look at the size of that. Chee! Saiko for life. Alright, set that aside there. Keep moving on. Pretty sure this is the uli of the talo vave variety. Yeah, it's the uli. Talo vave. Yeah. Throw that there. More cows, cow tracks. So uli. Alright, try to pull it, but it broke. Now we're gonna go in manually. Hey, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So see, this is another good saiko to pull right now, but because it's growing so well, probably leave it for maybe next time. But try and take out the ones that are dying down. Another Samoa lua variety here. Alright, this is what I mean. So we've got an existing hole here. Push down the ulis in there. And then just tighten it by just thumping. See? Like that. And that way when the uli grows, it'll get a decent size because of the hole that the first taro was, and it'll take up that space. It won't be exactly the same, but it'll try and take up the space, which is a lot better than the smaller ones. Right. Just gonna head back and try and count how much we have and see how many more we have to go. got about 12 there, which will probably be enough, but I'll probably just get 2 more just in case. It's always good to have more than you need than not enough. So I'm just gonna head to the back there and see if we can find 2 more, and yeah, should be it. So we are now way in the back corner of the plantation next to the house. As you can see, trees in the back here, and then plantation stops here. We're planning to clear all of this down, and then this plantation will connect with the one at the back of the where the pigs are. So this will hopefully clean this all down and then start planting it until it connects to the back of the pig farm there. I'll show you guys a drone footage of it. So that's the back of the house where we have stopped planting, only because of the cows. But then this, we will connect this portion of the plantation towards the back of that one, and then they'll connect, and then a bigger plantation. But I'm just looking for 1 more taro here, and then we should be good, because the last 2 that I pulled over there were ulis. I want to take this one, but it feels like a halavai, a kiapula. This one, however, looks like a taro. Fingers crossed. Bam. That's that black variety. Yeah, it's probably Oli, so it'll do. I guess that's it. So we'll just head back to where the taros are, clean this up, then we'll head home. Right, so additional taro to saiko, the Olis there. Then we got, I just picked this up along the way, I didn't record it, but it's another Samoa lure. And then this black variety. I really don't know the name of this black variety, but you know what? I think we're gonna give it a name on this channel. Let's make it official. Comment down below what's a nice name for this black variety of taro. The problem is, it's not that common. I do see it in some plantations, but even there, some of the farmers don't know the name for it. So why don't we name it now, and then yeah, it'll be something good for our channel. So comment down below on what's a good name for this black variety. Alright, so that one Samoa lure variety that I picked up just now is actually useless. It was rotting, you guys can see there. So I don't think I'll use it, but I'll try and cut it as much as I can to see if there's any bit of the flesh that we can salvage. But this is what happens when you harvest too late. So you see some of those insects there? Those are actually the ones that destroy the taro and eat the comb. And it gives off this funky smell. which farmers call it le kalu. So it's that smell of rotting taro. So yeah, and that's part of the reason why when we export taro, one of the requirements is to they're not allowed taro like this, so that's why we have to clean the taro properly. So inspect the taro in case there are any damages such as this rotting stuff, because the country that's that's importing our taro doesn't want these insects, as they are invasive species and it might hurt their agriculture industry as well. So that's why there's a lot going. When we export taro, we have to go through the whole process of not only cleaning it but also inspecting it and then grading it. So it's quite a time-consuming process, but the rewards are well worth it. Alright, so after trying to shaving it, cutting as much as I can from it, you can see this is where it starts to have the good flesh, but even at that point we still have mold and some of the areas there that are damaged by these insects. So that's more than half of the taro already gone. So no go. Fertilizer. Alright, Sunday tonai is now ready. We're gonna pack up and go. Just gonna put these tia pulas on the side here for replanting next week, because we will definitely be replanting some plantations next week, which I'll show you guys once we get there. We've got some plots ready, so I'm just gonna cover them from the sun, and then we'll get them next week when we're ready to plant. But time to head home, guys. Alright guys, so finally here with the taro. I think we're gonna just use the oven tomorrow to bake the taro. Not feeling like aumu at the moment, but because there's not many of us, it's just too much effort to do aumu. So we'll just bake it in the oven tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see how tomorrow's cooking episode goes. But I guess that's it today. We'll probably get something to eat once Uncle finishes cutting the grass. And then after that, we'll check on the cows later on in the evening. But I guess that's it from us, guys. I really hope you did enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I just want to say thank you again, guys. We've officially passed 7,000 subs. And it's all thanks to you guys. So I really appreciate it, guys. And I just want to say thank you for making this channel really awesome, because it's because you guys that I get to do this, and I get to do it more often, and I enjoy making it. So I just want to say thank you, because you make it all worth it. So just want to say thank you again, guys, for the support. Thank you for the love on the channel. Thank you for always giving 100 for this channel, giving it all your support. So really appreciate it. But I guess that's it from us, guys. We'll definitely catch you on our cooking episode tomorrow once it's up. But until then, take care, God bless, stay safe.